Thanks again for showing me around the office. I know I had so many questions and talked your ear off, so I really appreciate it.
It was my pleasure. We're happy to have you here in the office. Do you have any more questions before I go back to work?
I think I'm good. Oh, I haven't seen a coffee maker anywhere.
That's our coffee maker.
Oh, one of those.
She's a beaut. I use her every day.
Yeah, love those. Love those. Those coffee makers.
Well, I gotta go make those calls.
I'll catch you around. Catch you later. See you around.